everyone, this is Amanda Wray coming to you with a quick update about direct mail programs, how they work, what to expect, and most common questions. Today, what I'm going to try to do is cover everything that I can think of that most people ask when it comes to direct mail programs. I've been doing direct mail since 2016, earning a full-time income online and offline, and showing others how to do the same. And I decided to put this video together because there's so many people that are looking to leave their daytime jobs. They're looking to do something that's easy to duplicate from home, but there's just some questions that they have before they even think about getting started. So we're going to cover that today in this short presentation. Okay, so this is basically common questions about direct mail programs. I'm currently in two opportunities, one called Impact Mailing Club, which is a flyer program, and I'm also in a postcard program called Passive Profits. I've been doing direct mail since 2016, and it was a great way and opportunity for me to leave my full-time job. I was at a dead-end job where one person was actually looking to take over my income and take away my income for me and my family, and I did not want to go back to another full-time job. So I started to look at information on YouTube and try to find out what would work for me. Unfortunately, in 2015, I got into a lot of opportunities that did not benefit me. It did not allow me to bring in a full-time income. I did not have the marketing expertise in order to start earning full-time online. So I just decided to go offline, and it has changed my life. It has changed the life of my children, and it has allowed me to work from home. I'm here in my office now. And not only that, I'm teaching other people exactly what it is that I know and what allowed me to actually start being successful with direct mail. So that's a little bit about me. But here, direct mail is a great way to provide people with a way to leave their 9-to-5 or add an additional income stream. Direct mail is a work from home opportunity where you can provide information on how others can work from home. So I don't want people to look at it or view it as a sales position or an opportunity where you're selling something. What we're doing is we're basically providing people with information and education on what it is that we do, and then let them make a decision based off of the information that we provide. And I've learned to do that very well. You know, I didn't want to feel like I didn't go to school for marketing, for sales marketing, for selling things. I didn't want to feel like a salesperson. I just wanted to give people information on what it is that I do and allow them to make an educated decision based off of the information. And that has worked for me. But not only that, hundreds of others who have taught them how to do the same thing. You don't have to interact with people on a one-on-one basis in order for them to get the gist of what it is that you do. This is easy enough for anybody to understand. And if they want it bad enough, they will get started and they'll make it work for them. So with direct mail, what I love about this is that you get to set your own hours and run your own business, which is something that I've always have been interested in doing. I like to have time freedom. I want to be able to set up my own hours and work when I'm ready to work, okay, without having to be on someone's punch clock. You can make as much as you like based off of your efforts, what you can afford, or how much time you have. I always tell people that it's two things to this business. Either you have the time or you have the money. If you don't have the money, you may have to put in more time. If you don't have a lot of time, you have to put in more money. But if you have either of the two, this can be a very successful business for you and your family. And I love the fact that it gives me time freedom to travel, to spend more time with my kids, to be a part of their lives and do the exciting things that I love to do, whether it's shopping, traveling, going to different places, participate in the different activities. I'm able to do that on my own schedule by working a direct mail business from home, okay? So traffic for your direct mail business, we're going to first talk about offline, because people always ask me, do I need to be online? Do I have to show my face? And no, this is not how I started this business. Back in 2016, when I became very knowledgeable about direct mail and I realized that that's what I wanted to do full time, I started out with postcard marketing. I went and got my postcards, my stamps, my leads, and I just went to work. Not only did I do that, I did it along with my family. They helped me and supported me in this journey because they see that it was something that I was passionate about, something that I really wanted to do, and I just really got my feet wet. I did a lot of manual labor to help me to reap the benefits of earning, okay? And that's all it took, was being able to put a label on a postcard, having a website that was connected to my postcard so people could go online and get more information about my business. But not only that, when they were ready to purchase, they had all of the information that they needed in order to start their postcard program. And that's basically all you need, is you need to have information that you can give to somebody, and then you have to have a place where they can go to sign up. And that was the two things that I had. And I did that continuously for over 6 months to a year, and it allowed me to start generating tons of money through the mail, but not only that, electronically as well, for people who were looking to get started right away. So with direct mail, we have offline methods. You can use offline and online methods to run this business. Both methods work as long as you are using them consistently. And like I tell people all the time, if you were at a job, in order to get paid, you have to work. If you want to reap the benefits of a direct mail business, you have to put in the work. It's not as many hours as working a full-time job, but what hours you do put in has to be very consistent in order for you to see that momentum and start building that momentum. So you can use postcards and flyers, drop cards and business cards, yard signs, and newspaper small ads. And what I do is when people join me in this opportunity, we do tell people exactly where to get these products from, but not only that, how to use them. Because you can get anything that you want within this business that you need, but if you don't know how to use it properly, you're not going to have the results that you're looking for. So then now we have traffic for your direct mail business online methods, okay? And again, you can combine offline and online methods. You can just use offline, or you could just use online. It's really up to the individual and what they feel most comfortable using. So with online, you can use Facebook personal page and Facebook groups. You can use a YouTube channel creating videos or using other people's videos, or you can purchase traffic and run traffic to a funnel. And again, these are all methods that I teach people how to use in order to create a full-time income. If a person is computer savvy, they have a little bit of knowledge or understanding how online works, and they want to use online, they can use these methods and start earning full-time with these methods as well. This is something that we do go over in our training, and something that you can learn how to do. Not only that, we do provide you with the websites in order to start running traffic online if that's something that you want to do. Now, another question I get, do I need a P.O. box? So I always tell people it's your personal preference. Is your neighborhood safe? Do you have a lock on your mailbox? Do you mind if people know where you live? And can you afford a P.O. box? Now, for the year, I paid about $70 for the year for a medium-sized mailbox, and that's enough for me to run my business. If it ever gets full like this, they put my mail to the side and I pick it up that day or the next day. They do leave me a notice letting me know that my mailbox is full. Now, if you can afford $70 for the year, I would highly suggest you get a P.O. box. If you have a box at home and you feel safe with people dropping off money orders and cash and stuff like that to your mailbox, then you can do so. So it's all about what's your personal preference and if you can afford a P.O. box. And if you just feel safe using your own mailbox, then you can do so, okay? What type of payment methods can I use? So here are some of the payment methods that I use. The more, the merrier. Everyone that starts a direct mail business should have at least 3 payment methods for others to choose from. So people can pay you by cash, cashier's check, money order, by mail. So those can be 3 that you use. I always recommend that you also use an online method so that people that want to pay you electronically can do so. So you can go with Google Pay, Stripe, Cash App, Venmo, and Zelle. I have Google Pay, I have Venmo, I have Stripe, I have Zelle, and I also have Cash App. So I tell people, if you want to get more signups, you want to have more options for people to choose from, pick at least 3 of these and have those available for people to use that would like to get signed up. How much time do I need for my business? Most people that start a direct mail business are truly treating it as a business. Most aren't planning or have a blueprint on what they need to do daily to start promoting their business. The first 90 to 120 days is crucial and will determine your success within your direct mail business. You should actively work on your business until you have consistent signups. This requires 1 to 2 hours per day, at least 4 to 5 days a week. And when you join my team, you will get a blueprint on what you need to do in order to be successful with direct mail. You will get a calendar that will allow you to pretty much map out what you're going to do on a daily basis and how much time you're going to spend on each different marketing traffic strategy that you use, okay? So that's very important. If you come in and you're just like, I'm going to just send out postcards, you don't have it set up properly, you don't have a website, you don't have a way to let people know who you are or explain how the program works, you're not going to do well with this business. It's more than just putting a stamp on a postcard. You have to have a blueprint on what you're going to do, even when you don't have the money to mail postcards. That's very important. If you're sitting around just waiting for postcards to work, you're literally throwing money out the window and you're not speeding up the results within your business. So it's important that you have a strategy in place so that you know what you're doing when you're not using postcards, and you know all of the steps of what you need to do when you come into this business. That's very important. And I also have one-on-one sessions available. If you do not want a one-on-one session and you just want to speak to me because you have some questions, all you need to do is go to successwithamandaray.com. We're going to go there now, or you can call me, and what I can do is talk to you and map out a game plan strategy for your business. So if you go to successwithamandaray.com, work with Amanda, you can set up a 15-minute meeting with me to discuss your needs, what it is that you're looking to do, and I can answer any questions that you may have available. So right here, you can fill out this information and I can actually help you with your business. So what I want to do is just also talk about Impact Mailing Club, which has extended their promotion. So right now with their promotion, and I'm looking at the sheet, that's what I'm reading from, okay? At the Ruby level, which is just $250, they're going to automatically bump you to the Sapphire level, which is $500. So for $250, you'll be bumped up to the next level at no additional charge. At the Sapphire level, you're going to pay $500. You're going to get bumped up to the Diamond level, which is normally $2,000. We're going to get to that level by paying only $500. These are all one-time payments. And for the Diamond level, you're going to pay $2,000, and you're going to get bumped up to the $4,000 level, okay? In another video, I will go over my bonuses, which are going to be available for the time period of the promotion. That's going on with Impact Mailing Club. If you want more information about that, it will be in the description below this video. So I want to just say thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope that this information has helped you to make a decision about direct mail and answer any questions that you may have. If you want more information, that will be in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll speak to you another day. Have a great day.